Hello everyone, today in this video we will walk you through the integration process of Salesforce, the world's most preferred CRM, and Jira, the leading project management and collaboration platform using the third-party tool Zapier. The client requirements are as follows. Integration of Salesforce and Jira. Ticket creation in Jira once a case or ticket is created in the service console in Salesforce. Let's take a quick overview of Salesforce, Zapier and Jira. Salesforce is the leading and most popular cloud platform provider that enables businesses to manage all interactions with their customers and prospects in a new and effective way through cloud-based application for managing sales, service, marketing, and much more. Zapier. Zapier is an online automation tool used to connect more than 1500 web applications, enabling you to achieve task automation and save time. Using powerful rules and filters, you can integrate multiple systems with just a few clicks. Jira. Jira is a project management tool used for issues and bug tracking. It is widely used as an issue tracking tool for all types of testing. Jira specializes in assisting teams with designing project management, outlining work steps, and performing service and management. To integrate Salesforce with Jira using Zapier, here are the steps to be followed. Log in into Zapier. Choose first app Salesforce. Choose second app Jira Software. Select criteria and action to perform. Choose connection, add the trigger and complete the required fields. Test and activate automation. Let me now show you the demo. The flow goes in such a way when a case is created and the priority of the case is high. As you can see here, let us take the case origin and the other mandatory field as per the requirement and now save the case. The case has been created in the service console and the name of the user that has created the case is displayed here. Let us now head to Jira Software. You can see that the ticket has been created with the priority high and the reporter's name of this case is displayed here. To successfully cater to the client's requirement, we have used Zapier so that the trigger will be created in Salesforce whenever we update a field on the record that is a case, and the action takes place in the Jira Software as the issue is created. If you need any assistance with CRM development, CRM implementation, data migration, and integration with third-party tools such as Outlook, MailChimp, Trello, Slack, and more, contact Cloud Analogy, the globally recognized CRM consulting company. To explore how certified CRM experts can help you realize your business, contact us now.